Are you looking for the best digital marketing blogs? Well, you've come to the right place. WHR Marketing cover everything from dropshipping to SEO to social media, Amazon FBA, email marketing, and much, much more. We take pride in helping entrepreneurs and online businesses grow. Check out our blog now. Check out our digital marketing agency promo, which is a limited time only free online business report to help you get more customers, clients, and sales. The real price is $149.99. In human terms, this customized report will find all the problems on your website that are stopping you from increasing and maximizing the amount of customers, clients, and sales that your business deserves to be getting. So we'll find all of your online business problems and offer you the solutions. After that, it's up to you with what you do with them. All you have to do is fill in your name, email address, and website, and you'll get your report. We're here to help, so check out our blog or our services, or contact us if you have any digital marketing needs or SEO services that you need implementing.